Alright guys, just got this new knife in from Boker. This is the large D2 Balisong with a G10 handle. Pretty smooth. I'm not the best flipper, I'm still getting used to it, but man, pretty sweet. Really nice blade. I believe it's an overall length of about 9 inches. Man, this thing's sweet. Boom. Man, this thing is really nice. Do a quick little cut test from right out of the box. And that thing's sharp, man. You do not want to mess with this thing if you're new to flipping knives like I am. But here I am still doing it. So again, this is the Boker large D2 Balisong.